Structural unemployment refers to a situation where workers are unable to find jobs due to change in the economic structure from traditional sectors to modern technological sectors. This occurs when a country economy, for example Malaysia, which previously focused on traditional economic activities, shift towards industrial activities due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many traditional economic activities have been replaced by modern technology, causing human labor to no longer be needed. As a result, this group become unemployed because the demand for labor has decreased, and they also lack the necessary skills required in other sectors, such as manufacturing and agriculture.
Structural unemployment happens when workers' skills do not align with the fast-changing demands of modern industries, especially in areas like digitalization, automation, and analytical problem-solving. Without relevant training, even motivated workers risk exclusion from the labor markets. From an Islamic perspective, work is a form of worship tied to trust, al-amanah, and justice, al-aid. Skill mismatches that prevent people from working are seen as social injustice, as they deny individuals their right to contribute. Islam emphasizes providing education that meets current needs to ensure fairness, prevent waste of our human resources, and honor labor as a trust from Allah. Addressing unemployment is considered a collective duty, fardu kifayah, requiring society and institutions to prepare workers with the right skills. The conventional financial system, which relies on interest, riba, creates barrier for small business to access capital. High interest rate and debt burdens hinder growth, preventing small enterprises from generating job opportunities. This results in structural unemployment and an economy dominated by large companies, leading to imbalance and inequality. From an Islamic perspective, riba is strictly forbidden as it oppresses the weak, causes injustice. Islam promotes alternative financing methods such as mudarabah, musyarakah, qard hasan, zakat, and wakaf, which reduce capital barriers and support small businesses. This instrument encourage fairness, risk sharing, and job creation. Structural unemployment caused by riba-based system contradict the Islamic principle of justice, as Islam view equitable access to work and resources as essential.
Alright, so now we move to the last issue, replacement of human labor with machines. Technological advancements such as automations, robotics, and AI have caused many traditional jobs, especially in manufacturing, agriculture, services, and logistics, to be replaced by machines. Although technology improves productivity and reduces costs, it also negatively impacts on workers, especially for those with low skills, leading to structural unemployment. This happens because machines can perform tasks faster, more accurately, and at lower long-term costs, causing employers to replace human labor. Workers who lose their jobs often cannot transition to new roles without retraining. So, from an Islamic economic perspective, technology is allowed and recognized as beneficial, but its use must not harm or oppress workers. Islam emphasizes justice, balance, and community welfare. Employers are responsible for protecting workers' rights, ensuring fair treatment, and creating opportunities such as retraining or new jobs, so that technological progress does not lead to injustice. That's all from me.
One of the main causes of structural unemployment is the skill mismatch. This happens when graduates or workers have skills that are not aligned with the job requirements. To address this, workers and graduates should do proper research before entering a career. For example, someone who wants to become an accountant should have an educational background in accounting, knowledge of Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and financial analysis skills. In addition, continuous improvement of skills, including technological and other job-related competencies, is essential. This approach aligns with the human capital concept in Islamic economics, which emphasizes developing personal potential to benefit both the individual and society. It also reflects Islamic principles. First, al-amanah, applying skill responsibly; al-adil, ensuring justice in job opportunities; And lastly, avoiding israf, using one's skill efficiently and not wasting knowledge or effort. Injustice of a financial system based on riba. Another factor contributing to structural unemployment is the difficulty of accessing fair capital in conventional financial system based on interest or riba. Islamic economics provide alternative solutions using Sharia-compliant financial instruments such as mudarabah, musyarakah, and qard al-hasan. This reduces risk and barriers to capital. Banks like Bank Muamalat Malaysia, Agrobank, and Bank Islam Malaysia berhad offer interest-free financing. Additionally, zakat and wakaf can support small business and skill training, creating sustainable employment. Entrepreneurs are encouraged to improve business planning and financial literacy to use capital wisely. This approach aligns with Islamic principles. First, al-amanah, responsible use of capital. Al-adl, ensuring equitable access to financial resource. And third, avoiding israf, using resource productively to benefit society. Replacement of human labor with machines. Finally, automation and technology can reduce the need for certain types of labor, but Islamic economic emphasizes responsible use of technology, al-tatwir al-tiqni, guided by justice and social welfare. Employers are encouraged to provide training and skill development so employees can adapt to new technologies. Islamic financial institutions can also support this through zakat, wakaf, musyarakah, or mudarabah, helping workers gain new skill or start small enterprise. For example, a factory worker may transition from manual labor to working with automated machinery after training. Islamic banks can co-finance part of the training, ensuring the worker benefits from the new skill. This solution aligns with Islamic human capital principle. So first, al-amanah, using skills and technology responsibly. Al-adl, preventing negative impacts of automation on employees. Third, avoiding israf, ensuring labor, skills and resources are not wasted but used productively for societal benefit.
So, to address this, policies should focus on skill development, small and medium enterprises, safety nets, and responsible use of technology. By incorporating Islamic principles like maslahah or even public interest, we can ensure the economic growth and support justice, dignity, and well-being for all. So, in short, structural unemployment is complex, but ethical planning and inclusive development can help the society prosper without leaving anyone behind. So, the structural unemployment is both an economic and social problem. It happens when the workers cannot find jobs because of traditional sector are replaced by the technology-based industries. So, in Malaysia, this shift accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic has reduced the needs for human labor in fields like agriculture, manufacturing, and trades. So, workers without the skill for the new industry become structurally unemployed, creating an imbalance between labor supply and demand. From an Islamic economic perspective, structural unemployment is not just an economic issue, but it affects the social welfare and human dignity. So, work is considered a form of worship, and unemployment can harm both income and moral well-being. So, factors contributing to the structural unemployment include skill mismatches, capital-intensive projects supported by the riba-based financing, and technological substitution.